Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this look here, please stay tuned to the rest of the video. But as you guys already know, before we get to the video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell button so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know. Okay guys, so for this style you would need some 100% pink alone hair, and that's pretty much it for this style. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. First thing first, we need to create 3 sections. So first you're going to create a slanted part on the side, on each side. Again, this part needs to be like a slanted / curved part. And once you have created both of those parts, then we're going to make a part along the back that will connect both of your side parts. And once you have created that part along the back, then that will be your first section. And once you have gotten that first section, then you can take a twister and tie that part away. Okay guys, so now that we have our first section, we're going to make our second section by just creating a part along your ear. And once you have created that part along your ear, you're going to tie that second part away. And for your third part, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to bring a part down along your ear, and that will be your third part. And then we're just going to tie the back of the hair into a scrunchie so we can work with the first 3 parts. Okay guys, so for our side section, we're going to create another curved part, and this is going to be a really thin section because this thin section will be our really small thin braid that we're going to put there. So right now we're just going to tie that part away, and we're going to begin to braid this bigger section. And for my edges, I am using the edge booster to create a neat look. And once I have done that, we are going to begin braiding this. So right now I am using the kink along hair to braid my hair. Usually I wouldn't use kink along hair, but because I have nails on, I need something, or I need the kink along hair to make my hair feel, to braid my hair a little tighter. And as you guys can see, I am adding hair in as I braid. That is optional if you want to do that, and it's even optional if you want to add kink along hair in. Okay guys, so now that I'm done braiding the big section of my braid, now I am going to braid this little section, which is my smaller braid. And again, I am using kink along hair because I have nails on. I have to use kink along hair to make my braid tighter, because if I would have braided just without the kink along hair, I felt that it wouldn't have been as tight. And you guys, my braids probably are not that neat because I do have nails on, but they'll do for today. Okay guys, so I am done this side and I pretty much did my other side off camera, but now we're done with the braids. We're going to take that middle section and we're going to part sections in it. So the first section we just part across the front, and we're going to use some rubber bands and we're going to put that first section into a rubber band. Okay, now that we did that first section into a ponytail, now we're going to create a part down the middle. And with that part down the middle, we're going to create a few sections on each side. So the first section, we're going to part it down, and that's going to be one of my sections, and we're going to put a rubber band into that section, and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay guys, we're going to take the hair from the first section and we're going to part it into two, and that half of the section we're going to add into the second section with the rubber band, and we're going to pretty much do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay guys, so when we put the rubber band on this section here, we're going to take the hair from the front and we're going to crisscross it. So we're going to crisscross that side into that rubber band, and then we're going to crisscross the other hair that's left into the other section. And as we keep going on, we're just going to just continue to crisscross the hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished the middle section, here how it looks, and as you can see, it is a crisscross motion. So now that we've done that, we're going to put the back section into a ponytail. Now it's not going to be a high ponytail, it will be like a mid-section ponytail. And once we put that into the ponytail, we can begin to braid the ponytail. Okay guys, so now that we put the hair into a ponytail, we use some kink along hair to braid the end ponytail of the hair. Now you guys, I just completely braided this hair all the way down, and once I got towards the end of the hair, I did needed to add a little more hair on to there just to make it a tad bit longer. And once I was done braiding it, that was it for this section. Okay guys, now that I'm towards the end of braiding this, I am going to put a rubber band on the end of it, and that's pretty much it for that. So off camera guys, I went and made this little braid here, and I am going to use a bobby pin to secure it. And once I have it secure, I'm just going to wrap it around my ponytail just to hide that, you know, the end part of the braid. And to secure it, I just put another bobby pin on it. Okay guys, so at the end of the braid, I am going to put a little Shirley Temple on it. So I'm using one of these perm rods to make the hair curly at the end. And once I have done that, we're going to dip the hair in some hot water so that we can give the braid a little flow so it won't be as stiff. Okay guys, so now we're finishing up with this look. So right now I am going to add a little jewelry to it. I'm only going to add it to this front section of the hair, and once I have done that, you guys, this is a done deal. We are done with this cute little ponytail look, and I took out my rod and I just cut the extra hair that wasn't curly, and that's it, you guys. So here is the finished look. Let me know how you guys like this look, and make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, and also thumbs up this video if you like this video. And also, you guys, don't forget to hit that bell button so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know.